Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. A beautiful day at the Off-Grid Homestead. We didn't get much snow here, really, just a few inches. Now, granted, underneath the trees it's not as much. I didn't even pull out the snowblower, there was no point. Run the shovel a few sweeps through is all we needed. That's nothing. I want to check out the solar panels and see, I hope that we're getting... Oh no, I gotta sweep them off. I thought they'd be cleared off. Alright, I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm just gonna use my hand, that's not enough snow to worry about. I'm gonna sweep them off and get them producing some good power today. And the sun does the rest. I brushed off the snow. That's why I didn't bother with the broom. It's more work to get out the broom at this time for this light. When it's melting like this, it's easy. You sweep off the snow, and the sun does the rest. I hope that shows on camera really well. They're just rolling right off. There's a sheet of ice. That wouldn't have swept off anyway. The problem is, there's a sheet of ice underneath. There was freezing rain, followed by snow. And the ice has to be melted. But the beauty of solar panels is the sun heats them right up. And it slides right off. Look at it go. Going right off there. That part that I couldn't reach is melting right off. I can sweep that off in a minute here with my hand before it goes onto the other panel. I can't reach that one. I might have to get the broom. But the other, I'll get the corner of that one there. The other's cleaned right off. The problem is the snow, or the snow on the trees is not making my job very easy. So I need to get the broom out for the winter anyway. This is the first real snowstorm we've had this year on these panels. Previously it was really light and kept melting throughout each day, and we weren't home to deal with it. We've been out at the store, and this is the first day I've actually had snow on the panels that I'm home to deal with it. So here we are. But that comes right off before it gets on my other panel below it. See? And then it comes right on down to me. And this panel will be fully functional in minutes. I do need to get the broom out. There's no point in being lazy on this. Get it out and get it ready for the winter. Yep, winter is here in full at the homestead. Beautiful though. Look at that. Hey everybody. I didn't get out much yesterday. After I got the solar panels pumping, I went in and I burned up some of that power. And I'm working on DIY tubes still, getting things going. It's a big project. And I couldn't get my videos edited at home on my own computer with the phone. For some odd reason it wouldn't let me connect. So I'll hopefully do that at the office today. But Melanie, if we get an opening, I'd love you to swing around. Look at that color opening up there. I wanted to share the sky with you this morning. It's so pretty. Look at that red shed in contrast with the white and the pinks. See if you can show it to the right if it opens up at all.
Yeah, it still has a lot of trees.
With the white ground and the beautiful pink sky and the white on the trees, I just think the color is incredible right now. So they didn't, what day did it snow? It was Sunday, right? And today's Tuesday. They didn't really clean up these roads very much. Michelle's saying, wow, she's enjoying the colors out the side. When we pull up here, you'll get a nice view.
It's really pretty.
The camera, I don't think the camera does it justice. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see up here in a bit. Over on their side.
Whoa! That's pretty.
Wow, that's incredible. Look at those colors.
Wow. Michelle, do you see that?
Too bad all the stop signs and junk are in the way. That's pretty, isn't it today?
Wow.
Here, you can hold it straight while we get a full view, swing it around. Alright guys, well, we're going to head into work. And I'll edit all my videos that I did. I'll talk to you all later. Well, guys, it is cold. It was 9 degrees this morning, and the wind is blasting right sideways through town. It's snowing. I don't know if I hope you can see that. It is really brutal out there, and just cold. You can see that wind blowing down the street almost as fast as the cars are moving. It is really blowing that snow right sideways. The sun is trying to break through right now, but between the blowing and the snowing, look at that. I hope that shows up well. It makes for a really, really cold day. So, yeah, anyway, it's a real winter storm we got right now. Well, it's not much accumulation because it's blowing away, but it's drifting in places. There's a truck that parked this morning out here, a pickup truck, and his wheels are halfway up to the top. But that's just from the blowing and drifting. Well, this is winter. Oh, Michelle's talking to me. Look at that, white.